What's the most painful thing that's ever happened to you?
I lost a mother. That time I was small. This year, my mother gave me. She said, "You mustn't forget me when I die." Yeah. Then I didn't take it to my head. I just take like no, just making a show. And I see I lost her. And I lot of pain come. Then my father tried to calm me down. I'm just being the man I am now. Now I'm here. My mother is not here. I'm just scuttling here. Father at home. I'm struggling. Lot of stuff be happening to me. I'm trying to get something to eat in my stomach. I have nothing to do at home. Nothing work. Don't have an ID. I must still make my ID. Now the people look at me. I'm a baby. I'm not a baby. I'm just a child of God.